We begin this afternoon with Hurricane Ian, the monster hurricane, now a Category 4 storm, and it just made landfall on Florida's Gulf Coast, bringing with it heavy rain, winds of over 100 miles per hour, and a life-threatening storm surge that, when it is all said and done, could be the once-in-a-century storm everyone feared. And good afternoon, I'm David Navarro.
I'm Sandra Bookman, and this afternoon for Liz. The governor of Florida is warning this will be one of those storms everybody will remember, and we're already starting to see its devastating impact. The storm surge is the biggest concern right now. The National Hurricane Center warning it will be catastrophic. Now, this video from Pine Island shows those massive waves crashing ashore, and you can hear that fierce wind.
In Fort Myers, the water is so deep already that you can see the tops of cars. That's it. This area completely underwater, and it's likely to only get worse.
Farther south, similar scenes playing out. This one on Marco Island, an area under an emergency evacuation order. Storm surge up to 9 feet expected there. And for anyone who chose to stay put, it's likely too late to get out of the danger zone.
We have team coverage tracking Hurricane Ian. Joe Torres live in Tampa, but we're going to begin with meteorologist Lee Goldberg. Lee.
All right, Dave and Sandra, this is an extremely dangerous and destructive storm, and a lot of the worst case scenarios being realized, especially around the Fort Myers area. Yes, Ian officially made landfall. Cayo Costa just after 3 o'clock in the afternoon with winds of 150 miles an hour, Category 4 hurricane, and a very low central pressure. And actually, the western eye wall is going into that area as well. But this is going straight into the Cape Coral, Punta Gorda area right now, and you can see how Fort Myers, if you just look at that wind trajectory, just in the prime spot to get the huge surge coming off the Gulf of Mexico. We've seen numerous tornado reports across the eastern side of Florida, heavy rain sweeping up the coast right now. It's a huge storm. Even some of the clouds getting caught in the outflow are going to be in our skies by tomorrow. This is some of the video and pictures we're seeing from the Fort Myers area. That's a house. It's basically, the surge is about 1 story high, and we're getting some of the storm surge reports that are corroborating that. Up toward Port Charlotte, you're seeing gusts, actually that's Punta Gorda, 124 mile per hour gusts. So Ian's impact here as it moves inland will be a catastrophic surge of up to 18 feet, destructive wind gusts that are going way over 100 miles an hour, and flooding rain, which could be up to 2 feet because of the slow movement of the storm. Here are the current stats right now. It's just 10 miles to the west-southwest of Punta Gorda and moving inland north-northeast at a very slow rate. So when you look at how this moves, it's only to Orlando by about tomorrow morning as a 70 mile per hour storm with some 90 mile per hour gusts, still a tropical storm, and then near Flagler Beach or Daytona Beach. Unfortunately, could go out into the Atlantic and another landfall near that Georgia-South Carolina border as we go into Friday, and then ultimately into the foothills of the Appalachians. And then do we have some impact over the weekend as it breaks into 2 pieces? Definitely, I think, Saturday, and then there could be another piece on Monday and into Tuesday. Right now, we're very quiet. We just have some clouds around. There are a few showers just like yesterday, a little less so off to the north and west. They'll die off quickly after sunset, and then there's the first batch of high clouds coming up from the south. So a chilly night tonight in the 40s and 50s. Tomorrow, once again, will be in the 60s. But this is all about Ian today. We're going to have team coverage. Meteorologist Jeff Smith will be with me, and meteorologist Danny Beckstrom worked in the Fort Myers area from 2016 to 2019. She'll have some insight on why this area is so vulnerable to a hurricane landfall like this. More on AccuWeather in a few minutes. David Sanders.
All right, Lee, thanks a lot. Joining us now are Joe Torres, who's live in Tampa. Joe, the eye of the hurricane just south of you, but it looks like it's bad enough right now.
Well, David, just about an hour ago, 3 o'clock this afternoon, that's when the winds and the heavy rain sort of kicked into a high gear here in the Tampa area. We can tell you this, there's no amount of preparation that's going to fully get you ready for the strength and power of a Category 4 hurricane. But we also can tell you this as well. There are some people, it was dreadfully bad for them. For others, it was a blessing. Hurricane Ian's slow churn through the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico brought a catastrophic storm surge to the coastal city of Fort Myers. Cascading waves pushed floodwaters into the area and the surrounding communities of southwest Florida. But the storm's path into Fort Myers meant a blessing for Tampa. Steady winds blew water out of Hillsborough Bay, which normally has water up to the seawall. The result? a rare opportunity for storm watchers to walk into an area normally filled with water.
The storm take it out and dump it somewhere else. Look at that, how dry it is. I mean,
have you ever seen it like this? No,
I never saw like that.
The storm's path brought a huge sigh of relief for the people of Tampa. They know the same storm surge now inundating Fort Myers would have drowned Tampa in a sea of ocean water.
If we had a direct hit with a storm surge of 10 feet or more, this entire area would be underwater. It would be big trouble. So we've been very fortunate.
And it turns out that good fortune extends to those Tampa residents and homeowners who disregarded the mandatory evacuation orders. They gambled by hunkering down at home, while many of their neighbors fled to Central Florida. And it seems that gamble paid off.
In our community, probably 75% of the people left, and they all went to Orlando. But now I feel for them because trying to get home is going to be a nightmare for them.
Yep. Okay.
And they're probably looking at worse than we're ever going to get.
So we can't overemphasize it enough, the sense and the sigh of relief that people here in the Tampa area are feeling. They thought for sure that the images you saw in Fort Myers and in Naples, that was going to happen here in Tampa. That never materialized. And yes, they're thankful, they're very grateful, but at this moment tonight, their hearts, their thoughts, their prayers are with their fellow Floridians further down the coast.